In this video, I'm going to show you how to find low competition keywords using SEMRush Keyword Magic Tool, so stay tuned. Hey guys, this is Drew Gallagher helping you to grow your business fast. If you don't want to miss any of my content, smack that subscribe button and click the notification bell right now. Let's get started. Hey guys, so I'm logged into SEMRush and I'm on the dashboard and I'm on the Keyword Magic Tool, as you can see right here. Now, to find low competition keywords, the absolute key to finding those keywords is to make sure they're long tail. So a long tail keyword means that it's 3 or 4 words and that it's a longer phrase, because those are going to be easier to rank for. There's less searches. The intent of the customer behind that search is going to be a lot better because it's going to be more specific, and you're going to get people that want to take action and educate themselves. So if I start with a search like how to make money, that's really generic, right? There's so many different ways to make money, online, offline. You know, whether you're doing investments or whether you're doing, digital marketing, you're selling something as a course or e-commerce. So the list goes on and on, right? So you want to find long tail keywords where you can really capitalize on the low competition. As you can see, looking at how to make money online, that's pretty competitive with an 83% keyword difficulty score out of 100. So if we want to make this a little less competitive, what we can do is we can start typing and seeing if there are long tail keywords. So as you can see, there's how to make money from home, how to make money on Instagram, how to make money fast online, how to make money as a teen. So let's just say we do from home. So that's going to be a little more long tail, and there's going to be less competition most likely. So it's slightly less. And if we keep looking at the related searches, how to make money from home fast, that's even more specific. And then if you put the year, it's going to be even more specific. So you want to keep making it more long tail and adding more phrases to make it more specific. So maybe I want to say how to make money online as a teen. And as you can see, that is a lot less competitive than how to make money online. It has 1,300 searches a month, which is less searches. However, the competition's less, and there's still some CPC there, which means people are willing to pay for it. There isn't a whole lot of value there, but what we can do is try to find keywords that have a lower difficulty, lower volume, but still a decent amount of volume. It's trending still, and then has a decent CPC. If you look up how to build an investment portfolio for beginners, it's going to be 76% keyword difficulty, which is lower, and the volume is pretty low, but the CPC is a lot higher. So this one would be a good keyword to create content around, because if you can capture any of this 140, then you're going to be in good business. Overall, this is a competitive niche because the average keyword difficulty is 80%. So you got to find keywords around the niche that aren't exactly directly related to investing or making money, that might be slightly related. Maybe it's like a tool that helps you make money. Maybe it's like something like Robinhood or something like that. So like, as you can see, how to invest in stocks with Robinhood. Now with SEMRush, you're limited to 10 free requests a day, and you're gonna have to start a free trial. However, I highly recommend you start the free trial, because you get tons of different tools, you can get a ton of different keyword results, and you can start creating content around these low competition keywords. It can help you start ranking #1 on Google and YouTube, and then you can get people to find you and your products, and you can start capitalizing on those leads. Remember, the key to finding low competition keywords is all in the long tail keyword. Make sure your phrases are longer so you can get lower keyword difficulty, lower volume at times, but higher CPC. You'll get better quality leads with better customer intent, and that will lead to more sales and conversions. I hope you found this video helpful in order to learn how to use SEMRush Keyword Magic Tool in order to find low competition keywords. I highly recommend you start using the Keyword Magic Tool. I'm going to put a link at the top of my description so you can start your free trial with SEMRush right away. If you like this video, smack the crap out of that like button. I really appreciate it. And don't forget to subscribe. If you're looking to learn all the skills it takes to be a top digital marketer, including keyword research, but also creating funnels, running ads, and learning how to convert leads into sales, then go to drewbusinessaccelerator.com/freedom, and you can grab my free ultimate guide on how to start an online business. And you will learn how to pick a niche, promote products, do SEO, PPC, figure out how to get leads and turn them into customers, and generate your first sale. Thank you so much for listening. There's a video right after this one. I'll see you there. Peace out.